Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you know that we were doing chapter number 3 and we were on the last exercise of chapter number 3, that is exercise 3.3. Okay, and this exercise 3.3 is related to the estimating the sum. Okay, so in this we will do the estimation of sum. So now let's begin with let's continue with the same exercise, that is 3.3. so all of you open your books and as well as your notebooks and open your books at page number 31, that is exercise 3.3. so here I'm just writing the exercise, that is 3.3. exercise is 3.3. okay, chal. So we have already done up to question number 3 and now I'm going to start with question number 4. So the question number 4 is, find the actual and estimated sum by rounding off to the nearest 10,000. देखिए बेटा, आपको याद होगा कल हमने जो सम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2 एंड 3 किया था, उसमें हमने राउंड ऑफ टू द नियरेस्ट 1000 किया था, राउंड ऑफ टू द नियरेस्ट 10,000, and after that in the third sum we have done find the actual and estimated sum by rounding off to the nearest 1000. So now we are doing the fourth one, that is find the actual and estimated sum by rounding off to the nearest 10,000. okay, so let's begin with the fourth one. So in this we need to we need to round off the given numbers to the nearest 10,000 and then we need to find their sum as well. इसके साथ साथ estimation के साथ साथ we need to find the actual and estimated sum. okay, so just like question number 3 and question number 4 we will follow the same method. okay beta, so let's begin with question number 4. okay, so the question number 4 is, the question number 4 is actual and estimated, find the actual and estimated sum by rounding off to the nearest 10,000. So that means हमें nearest 10,000 round off करना है. So we are going to observe the digit that is at 1000 place. तो देखिए उससे एक छोटा जो place value होता है, उस पे जो digit होता है उसको observe करते हैं. So here we need to find out the round off the number to the nearest 10,000. so that means we are going to observe the number that is given at thousands place. चलिए, so question number 4, the A part, this is actual and this is estimated. actual and estimated. okay, so actual numbers are 78,515 plus 13,290. So we need to find its actual as well as estimated sum. तो हमें इसका actual और estimated sum ढूंढना है. okay, so let's begin with it. So first of all we will find out the estimated number of 78,515. तो सबसे पहले हम इसका estimated निकालेंगे. So this is 78,515 and we need to round it off to the nearest 10,000. So that means we are going to observe the digit that is given at thousands place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So the digit at 1000 place is 8. तो जो हमारा 1000 place पे जो digit है बेटा, that is 8. और अभी देखिए जब भी हम राउंड ऑफ करते हैं तो हमें बेसिकली क्या देखना होता है कि whether it is greater than 5 or less than 5. So 8 is definitely greater than 5. okay, so 8 जो है हमारा 5 से greater है. So that means we are going to write down this number to the next 10,000. okay, Okay, so we need to round it off to the nearest 10,000. So देखिए 8 is greater than 5, so that means we are going to round it off to the nearest, to the next 10,000. So this is 78,000. 70, तो 10,000 प्लेस पे हमारे पास क्या है 70. So that means 8 is greater than 5, so we will round it off to the next 10,000. So after 70, which is the next 10,000? That is 80,000. That is 80,000. That will be 80,000. Okay. Next here we are having 13,290. So now we need to estimate this 13,290 as well. Okay. So 13,000. So again 10,000 के nearest इसको भी करना है. So we will observe the digit that is given at thousands place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So at 1000 we are having 3. So 3 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 3 is less than 5. So that means we will round it off to the previous 10,000. Okay. So this is 13,000. 13. So इससे पहले वाला 10,000 कौन सा होगा? That will be 10,000 only. Okay. That is 10,000. Okay. So now we need to add them. So now we have done the estimation and now we are going to add it. Okay. So let's add it. Okay. So just do the simple addition as we were doing before. This is the simple one. Nothing else here. Okay. So let's add it. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 9, 10, 0. 1 will be carried next. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, that is 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 will be carried next. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, this is 9. So actual sum of these two numbers is 91,805. So now we will move to the estimation. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 1, 9. So this is 90,000. So estimated sum is 91,805, whereas the actual sum is 91,805, whereas the estimated sum is 90,000. Okay. So this is the actual and estimated sum of the given two numbers. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 4, A part of exercise 3.3. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay class? Chaliye. So now we will move to the B part of the same sum. So now we are moving to the B part. Okay. So the B part is given here. In the B part, the numbers that we need, the numbers whose actual estimated sum we need to find out is, that is, the actual numbers are 32,978, 32,978 plus 45,103. 45,103. So these are the two actual numbers. Okay, the first is 32,978, whereas the second is 45,103. So first of all, we are going to find the estimated numbers, or you can say we are going to round it off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, तो हम इसको राउंड ऑफ करके नियरेस्ट 1000 निकालेंगे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट दी number by rounding off to the nearest 10,000. So that means we need to find out the round off to the. Okay, so let's round off to the nearest 10,000. So 10,000 के nearest round off करना है. So that means we need to observe the digit or the number that is at 1000 place. So at 1000 place we are having ones, tens, 100, 1000. So in 32,978 we are having 2 at 1000 place. So in 32,978 we are having 2 at 1000 place. So 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 2 is less than 5. तो देखिए जब छोटा होता है, जब कोई भी डिजिट 5 से छोटा होता है, so we round it off to the previous one, ones, previous tens, 100 and 1000. In this question we need to round it off to the nearest 10,000. So that means 2 is smaller than 5. So that means we are going to round it off to the previous 10,000. Okay, तो इससे पहले 32,000 से पहले आने वाला 10,000 कौन सा है? Okay, that is 30,000. That is 30,000. Okay, so the next, so the 1000 is 30,000. तो हम इसको डॉट के साथ नहीं लिखेंगे. We will write it in a row. That is 30,000. Clear? So after estimating 32,978 to the nearest 10,000, we got 30,000. Okay. Next is 45,103. 45,103. So we need to round it off to the nearest 10,000. Okay. So for rounding off to the nearest 10,000, we will observe the number that is at thousands place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So in this 45,103 we are having 5 at thousands place. अब देखिए यहाँ पे हमारे पास 5 है. अभी इससे पहले अगर हमने जितने भी सम्स किए बेटा, उसमें हमें 5 से छोटा या 5 से बड़ा देखना होता था, करेक्ट. बट इसमें हमारे पास है ही 5. सो अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट वन. तो इसको वी विल राउंड इट ऑफ टू द नेक्स्ट. ठीक है, 5 से छोटा होगा. इफ द नंबर इज स्मॉलर देन 5, only then we will round it off to the previous tens, 100,000, 10,000, whatever the round of figure is given. But if it is 5 or greater than 5, चाहे वो 5 ही है या उससे बड़ा है, we will round it off to the next 10,000. Okay, 5 या 5 से बड़ा होगा, we will move to the next one. And if 5 से छोटा होगा, so we will move back to the previous one. 10,000, 100 and 1000 जो भी है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज हियर वी आर हैविंग 5. सो 5 इज 5. तो दैट मीन्स जब भी हमारे पास 5 भी होगा, सो वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. ओके, सो आफ्टर 45,103 which one will be the next 10,000? That is 50,000. That is 50,000. So 30,000 plus 50,000. So now we need to add it just. We just simply need to add it. Okay? We simply need to add it only. So first of all, we are going to add the actual numbers. 8 plus 3, 11. Sorry. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 will be carried next. 7 plus 0, 7. Plus 1. 8. 9 plus 1, 10. 2 plus 5, 7. Plus 1, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. So the actual sum is 78,081. Now we need to find out the estimated as well. 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. So this is 80,000. So the actual sum is 78,081, whereas the estimated sum is 80,000. Okay. So this is the B part of question number 4. You can pause your videos here. You can pause your videos here and write down the solution of B part of question number 4. Okay. Actual sum is 78,081 and estimated sum is 80,000. चलिए Okay, so now we will move to the next question, that is question number 5. The next is question number 5. Okay, so let's see what is given in question number 5. In question number 5, Abhay spent rupees 2310 on shoes and rupees 1872 on books. Estimate the total cost he has to pay. Okay, so Abhay spent rupees 2310 on shoes and 1872 on books. Estimate the total cost he has to pay. तो देखिए इसमें उन्होंने क्या बोला कि अभय ने 2310 रुपीज शूज खरीदने में खर्च किए, 1872 उसने बुक्स खरीदने में स्पेंड किए. अब हमें बताना है एस्टिमेट द टोटल कॉस्ट ही हैज़ टू पे, कि हमें टोटल कॉस्ट एस्टिमेट करनी है जो उसको पे करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, सो वी नीड टू पे दी, सो वी नीड टू एस्टिमेट द टोटल कॉस्ट ही नीड्स टू पे. ओके, बट इसमें ये चीज देखिए, इसमें एक्चुअल कॉस्ट नहीं पूछी है. दे आर आस्किंग ओनली अबाउट द एस्टिमेटेड वन. So that means we are going to find out the estimated cost that he has paid. Okay. Now the question arises that अब इसको हम किसके नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. ओके, तो देखिए बेटा, जब अगर जहां पे राउंड ऑफ नहीं लिखा होता कि दैट यू नीड टू राउंड इट ऑफ टू द नियरेस्ट टेंस एंड थाउजेंड, बट एस्टिमेटेड सम या एस्टिमेटेड डिफरेंस पूछा हो, बट उसको राउंड ऑफ करना नहीं बताया कि आपको किसके नियरेस्ट इसको राउंड ऑफ करना है. So in that cases or in those kinds of sum, what we do is we estimate the number or we estimate the sum to the highest place value. तो देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में 2310 and 1872 ये दो फिगर्स दी हुई हैं. अब इसमें हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू कौन सी है इन दोनों नंबर्स में? तो 2301 में इज ऑल्सो 2000 एंड 1872 में भी 1000. सो दैट मीन्स देखिए इधर देखो ना, 2310 एंड 1872. अब इसमें प्लेस वैल्यूज देखिए हाईएस्ट कौन सी है? 1 10 100 1000. सो हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू कौन सी है? 1000. So that means we are going to round it off to the nearest 1000. जहां पे हमारे पास मेंशन नहीं किया होता कि दैट वी नीड टू राउंड इट ऑफ टू द विच नंबर, किसके नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ करना है, तो हम जो हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू होती है, जो भी फिगर दी होती है, उसकी जो सबसे हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू होगी, चाहे वो 10 हो, 100 हो, 1000 हो, 10,000 हो, उसके नियरेस्ट उसको राउंड ऑफ कर देंगे. ठीक है, तो इसमें दोनों में हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू कौन सी है? दैट इज 1000. सो दैट मीन्स वी आर गोइंग टू राउंड इट ऑफ टू द नियरेस्ट 1000. Okay, so let's do it. The question number is 5. Abhay spent rupees 2300 on shoes and rupees 1872 on books. तो शूज और बुक्स के ऊपर जो उसने अमाउंट पे की है वो हमें दी हुई है. लिखिए, मनी स्पेंट on shoes. Money spent on shoes is rupees 2310. Rupees 2310. Money spent on shoes is rupees 2310. Next, money spent on books. Money spent on books. तो बुक्स के ऊपर उन्होंने कितना खर्चा किया? दैट इज रुपीज 1872. So this is the money he has spent on shoes and books. Now we need to find out the estimate the total cost he paid. Okay, estimated cost he paid. ओके, तो कितनी एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट है जो उसने पे की? सो द नंबर्स आर रुपीज 2310 एंड रुपीज 1872. ओके, एक चीज मैं भूल गई. ओके, देखिए हमारे पास एक्चुअल दिए, एक्चुअल. देखो इसको करेंगे कैसे, एक्चुअल एंड एस्टिमेटेड. ओके, सो एक्चुअल कितने हैं? रुपीज 2310 एंड रुपीज 1872. अब इसको हम क्या करेंगे? एस्टिमेट करेंगे. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एस्टिमेट दिस. बस इसमें एक चीज याद रखिएगा, राउंड ऑफ करते वक्त अगर हमें नहीं दिया है कि आपको किसके नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ करना है, तो आप उसको हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू के नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. ओके, सो हियर वी आर हैविंग 2310, सो वी विल राउंड इट ऑफ टू द 1000. ओके, सो 1000 के नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ करना है, सो दैट मीन्स वी विल ऑब्जर्व द डिजिट दैट इज गिवन एट हंड्रेड्स प्लेस. So at hundreds place we are having 3 and 3 is less than 5. So after estimating 2310 to the nearest 1000, you will get 2000 plus, not plus, अभी estimation कर रहे हैं ना, 1872. So rounding off to the nearest 1000, so we will observe the digit at hundreds place. So 100 place we are having 8. Okay, so 8 है हमारे पास. So 8 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 8 is greater than 5. So that means we will round it off to the next 1000. So 1872 will become 2000. This is the next 1000. So now we need to find the estimated money. So हम estimation वाले को ही प्लस करेंगे. अगर हमें उन्होंने पूछा होता कि आपको एक्चुअल भी ढूंढनी है, तो हम इसको एक्चुअल वाले को भी ऐड करते, बट उन्होंने सिर्फ हमसे एस्टिमेटेड मांगा है, सो वी विल ऐड दी एस्टिमेटेड ओनली. सो 0 0 एंड 0, 2 + 2 4. सो दिस इज द एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट दैट ही हैड टू पे. अब देखिए जो इसकी सॉल्यूशन सेंटेंस है, दैट वी विल राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन. सो एस्टिमेट द टोटल कॉस्ट ही हैज टू पे. देयरफॉर he paid. Okay, so therefore he paid, estimated cost he paid is equal to rupees 4000. Therefore he paid estimated rupees 4000 and this is full stop. तो कितने पे किए? 4000. Clear? So this is the solution of question number 5 from exercise 3.3. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. चलिए, so now we will move to the last question of the same exercise 3.3. That is question number 6. बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 की तरह ही है बेटा. सो we are going to do the question number 6 also. So the question number 6 is, Rohan bought the following: an old car, a new scooter, estimate the total cost. Okay, तो देखिए रोहन ने एक पुरानी कार खरीदी और एक नया स्कूटर खरीदा. So the cost of old car is 71,819 rupees, whereas the cost of the new scooter is 22,010 rupees. So we need to find the estimated total cost he need to pay. So estimated cost, total cost जो उसने पे की है वो हमें निकालनी है. Okay, so first of all, as it is that we have done in question number 5, we will do in this as well. लिखिए cost of ओल्ड कार. अब ओल्ड कार की कॉस्ट कितनी है? दैट इज रुपीज 71,819. Okay, so this is the cost of old car, cost of new scooter, cost of new scooter. So the cost of new scooter is rupees 22,010. That is 22,010 rupees. So this is the cost of new scooter. आगे देखिए, estimate the total cost. So now we need to find out the estimated one. So let's estimate first of all. This is the actual and this is the estimated. This is the actual one and this is the estimated cost. Okay. Again, actual has 71,819 rupees and second is rupees 22,010. So these two are the estimated one and we need to, sorry, actual one, and we need to find the estimated one. अब देखिए, अब इसको किसके नियरेस्ट आप राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, क्योंकि दिया तो है नहीं बुक में, तो इसमें भी बेटा वही रूल फॉलो करेंगे जो हमने पिछले में किया था कि वी विल एस्टिमेट इट टू द नियरेस्ट, वी विल एस्टिमेट टू द हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू. तो हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू देखिए कौन सी है, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. इसमें 10,000 है, 1, 10, 100, 1000 एंड 10,000. सो दोनों में हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू कौन सी है, 10,000. So we are going to round it off to the nearest 10,000. Okay. So let's round it off. Okay. So this is 71,819. 71,819. So let's round it off to the nearest 10,000. So for rounding it off to the nearest 10,000, we will observe the digit that is given at thousands place. Okay. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. So at 1000 place we are having 1. Okay. So 1 is less than 5. So we will round it off to the previous 10,000. So that will be 70,000. Okay. So previous 10,000 कौन सा होगा, 70,000. Okay. Next 22,010. So इसको भी हम nearest 10,000 round off करेंगे. Okay, so thousands place पे क्या होगा, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. So at 1000 place we are having 2, which is also less than 5. So we will round it off to the previous 10,000, that is 20,000. That is 20,000. Okay, so now we have found the estimated values of old car and the new scooter. So the estimated value of old car is 70,000 and estimated value of new scooter is 20,000. And we need to find out the estimate total cost. Okay, so total cost estimated वाली निकालनी है. So we will add them. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 2, 9. And that is rupees. Don't forget to put the rupee sign because we are doing the sum in the unit is rupees here. Okay. So the estimated total cost he had to pay is rupees 90,000. So, okay. So 90,000 is the estimated cost that he needs to pay or he had paid. अब देखिए question में क्या है, estimate the total cost. Okay. So we just simply write therefore estimated total cost is equal to rupees 90,000. Therefore, estimated total cost is rupees 90,000. Estimated total cost is rupees 90,000. And this is the solution of question number 6 of exercise 3.3. So with this we have completed chapter number 3. Okay. And and not chapter number 3. Still we are having exercise 3.4, and that we will do in the next session. Okay, so for today I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.